Want to add a new user account on your Windows 11 PC? In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to create a new local user account in just a minute. Let's get started. First, click the Start menu and open Settings. From the left-hand menu, select Accounts, then scroll down and click Other Users. Next to Add Other User, click Add Account. If the new user has a Microsoft account, you can enter their email address here. But if you want to create a local account instead, click I don't have this person's sign-in information. On the next screen, select Add a user without a Microsoft account. Now enter the username, create a password, and confirm it. After that, choose 3 security questions and enter your answers. These will help you recover the account if you ever forget the password. Finally, click Next, and Windows will create the new user account. And that's all. You've successfully added a new user account on Windows 11. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.